of the week.
The bird of the week this week is the Vermillion Flycatcher.
This is a medium-sized, stocky flycatcher with a flat head and a short tail. Adult males are awesome looking, bright red with a dark mask, back, wings, and tail. Females are gray-brown with a beautiful salmon-colored wash underneath.
They're often seen perched out in the open watching for insects. They'll fly out and catch one and usually return to the same perch. They live in open, shrubby habitats in the southwestern U.S., Mexico, Central America, and throughout South America.
Males are known to court females by bringing them butterflies and shiny insects.
And males sing a repetitive, short, chirpy song.
Tune in next week for another